These are a few of the thousands of payment proofs people receive every day by clicking on ads. Yes, you heard that right. All you need to do is sign up for an account, click on a box and get paid for each box you click. As well as stay till the end of this video because I will reveal to you how to make even more money, and also I will certainly show you just how to set this up online for you to get paid by doing nothing. It's an easy passive income strategy that you can utilize today. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. If this video helps you a bit, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Now let's get back to the video. Here is the strategy. Initially, I will show you exactly how to sign up for a free account, and next, I will reveal to you how to set up a passive income strategy so that you can earn money without doing it. Let me show you the payment proofs right here, and as you can see, people from around the world are cashing out every hour. People are generating income on this website and are being paid just for clicking ads worldwide. The first website is ptcshare.com. Ensure to follow all the steps provided not to have a difficult time making money on this site. Now to start with, you might see all these people once more generating income on this website, and after that, it simply proves that people are utilizing it all the moment and generating revenue. This platform works. Also, you can see although it's a new website, it has paid millions on its user as well, as this is a really simple task to do. You don't require any skill and you don't need any previous experience. You can generate income online in just a couple of minutes. You can get started immediately because you can cash out your earnings through these websites: Perfect Money, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Payeer. Now in this part of the video, I will show you just how to sign up for a free account. Click the sign up button right here on the left hand side first. Enter your desired username and then next enter your password and also again repeat your password. Now enter your official email address and also you need to type in your email address again right here on the right hand side. After that, I want you to click on this. I confirm that I was referred by admin. Check the box that says I'm not a robot. Do the captcha verification and finally check the box that says I agree to the terms of service and click create an account. When you are done signing up for a new account, you should activate your account by going through your emails. As you can see right here, it says, "Hello Sophia Adam 321, welcome to PTC Share. To complete your account registration and to activate your account, please click here or use the following link." Click on the link provided. It will undoubtedly take you to this web page where it says that your account has been activated. This is what the dashboard seems like on your account on ptcshare.com. You will certainly be able to see your balance right here. Hopefully with this tutorial that I am showing, you will undoubtedly be able to grow your money on this website. When you scroll down below, you can see many activities and bonuses you can get by doing all this tasks. It's so nice since this indicates more ways to earn money online with this website. Now to make money, I want you to click this earn button right here and then a drop down menu will certainly be shown. You will see a bunch of various activities for you to earn money. For example, we have view ads that offer walls, surveys, videos, PTC walls, click grids, and refer friends. But I want you to click on view ads for this video. Now just a quick disclaimer. It's not going to make you rich. It's not a life-changing income. But clicking this ads is a simple way to make money and needs no previous experience or any skills. Now that will reveal to you all these various ads available for you to click. That will make you money. As you can see, it's not a lot. That's why I stated you need to stay with me till the end. So I can show you how to make a lot more money using this website. I indicate it's simple. You're required to click this button right here and that's it. View paid ads. And that's all you need to do to get paid this amount of money. That will quickly add up gradually if you do this again and again. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's return to the video. Right here is another technique that I want to show you where you can earn $10 per every click. So currently, I want you to scroll back up and click on the earn button once again. And I desire you to go to click grid. Okay, let me explain. Each of these boxes is one ad. You click this box and then this ad will pop up, which you can close and you will certainly get paid for that click. You will see that it's credited because the box will certainly turn red just like this. You can see on the right hand side, all these people are generating income simply by clicking on these boxes. Also, you have all these boxes which you can click on every single day. And also, you have the potential to make up to $10 for a single click. So, for example, if this one right here has 100 boxes and that's $0.05 per click, and if you click on all those boxes, that would be an easy $5 and free on this website. You can do this daily as well, since the site refresh your account every day. Currently, the second part that I intend to reveal to you is just how to set up your account for you to earn passive income. What you need to do is go to Earn button once again on the upper left hand side of this website, and I want you to go all the way down to Refer Friends. I want you to click that button right now. Don't worry, you don't need to share this with your friends and family. Yet, if you want to share this with your friends and family, you can do that. But in this video, let's concentrate much more on another approach. Before we do that, I want you to scroll down below so that you can read all of the referral details. 7% commission on their everyday ad purchase, 3% commission on the value of their ad clicks, eligibility for additional daily referral issues, a ton of achievement points increasing your parts of the daily achievement at issue. With that said, I want you to copy your referral link right here. Now, I will show you a platform where you can share your link for you to make even more money online passively. This is a no-brainer. So, copy your referral web link and let's get a different traffic source. Now, the traffic source that we will be using is Quora.com. Quora is a place where people come to ask and answer different questions. On this site, people ask a lot of different questions about almost anything. So now I want you to type in the search bar how to make money online and press the enter. Then you will see a lot of people asking different questions on how to make money online. Below are some examples. Currently, I want you to select one post. This is when we will be posting our web link. We will reply with our web link. I will choose a script. Yet you can also make your own. Don't forget to paste your affiliate link. This indicates that they will undoubtedly make money when Quora users use your link to sign up for an account. Also, you will certainly earn a commission every time somebody uses your web link. They will undoubtedly do the same thing as you did, which was click those boxes to watch an ad. You will certainly earn a commission and they will certainly generate income too. You can do this on the other sites as well, similar to Facebook and Twitter, and that's it. If you got some value out of this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want to see more videos like this in future, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let us know how much money you make by using methods in this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.